Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new air fryer that I just got. I am so excited about this. I'll also be doing some kitchen cleaning, and I'll also be making our first meal in the air fryer. So let's get to it. So this is her in the box. I spared y'all of watching me unbox the air fryer, which was for your own good because I didn't want to waste too much time on that. But here she is out of the box and opened. This air fryer is absolutely beautiful and has so many cool functions and options. I was already in love with it before I even used it, and it matches my kitchen perfectly, so that makes me happy too. So this air fryer is from Comfee. You can find it on Amazon. If you want to check it out, I'll have it linked down below. This is a 12-in-1 versatile air fryer. It has every option you will ever need, from air frying to air broiling and air roasting. It has a toast option, bake option. You can make a pizza in here and cookies. It also warms and reheats, and it's also a dehydrator. You can even make a rotisserie chicken in here, and it comes with all of the tools to do so. I'm very excited about that because we love rotisserie chicken. It has precise temperature controls, 360-degree heat circulation technology, so that allows the heat to be distributed evenly. Cooking with an air fryer is also a great option for healthier cooking and eating. You can get crispy and golden results with 85% less fat than deep frying. This is a family-sized air fryer. It's extra large and double layered, so you can put a lot of food in here at once. You can even put 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza. I love how this air fryer has the knob controls for temperature and timing. It's very easy to use and figure out. It took me no time at all. It also comes with an air fry basket, a rotisserie fork, a rotisserie lifter, a backing rack, baking pan, and a removable crumb tray. It even came with a mini cookbook to give you some ideas of what you can make in your air fryer, and it also gives you information on the temperatures to use and how long to cook different things. So now that I've showed you my air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and get this kitchen cleaned because it hasn't been cleaned today and it's just kind of messy. So let's get started on some cleaning. I also wanted to clean my kitchen because I couldn't just put this beautiful air fryer out on display without having a clean room first. So I'm starting off by cleaning my icebox, and I'm cleaning off the top of it because I have 3 long-haired ragdoll cats, and they love to jump on top of the icebox and then on top of the cabinets. So there was lots of dust and cat hair up there, so I'm going to go ahead and clean the top of the icebox off first, and then I'm going to clean the rest of it. Now normally I clean my icebox off with the glass foam cleaner because I like the way it works on my stainless steel, but I just felt like using a multi-purpose cleaner today, so I'm using the multi-purpose cleaner, the Mr. Clean one. It's the green one, but I can't remember what the scent is, and I just got it mixed with some water in a spray bottle, and I'm using paper towels to clean it up. I'm also going to be using that same spray and paper towels to wipe off my countertops and the items I have sitting around on my countertops, but when it comes to my sink, I'm going to be using a foaming bathroom cleaner. Now I'm going to clean the microwave off really quick, and then I'm going to start moving things off of the countertop and cleaning the countertops.
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. Restore your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray.
So I hardly ever sweep my floor, and y'all probably know that if you watch my channel. I'm all about vacuuming. I am not a fan of sweeping. I've never been good at it, but there was so many crumbs and things on this floor. I felt like the broom was the best way to tackle this, especially in all of the corners and crevices and stuff like that. So I'm just going to sweep really quick and then vacuum it up, and then I'm going to be spraying some cleaner on the floor and then going over top of that with my steam mop.
It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
So now I am officially done cleaning my whole kitchen, and I am loving the way my new air fryer looks in here. It matches my appliances perfectly. It just looks so beautiful to me, and I love it. So now it's time to start making lunch, and I'm using my air fryer for the first time. So I got these chicken breasts from H-E-B. They come in a big pack and they're frozen, so I had them defrosting for a few hours. I'm seasoning them with this gunpowder seasoning that I just got recently, and we are obsessed with it. It is so delicious, so I'm putting that all over the chicken. We're also going to have some bell peppers that I'm going to be making in the air fryer as well. I just cut them up and drizzled them with some olive oil, a little salt, and some of that gunpowder seasoning as well.
Could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
So along with the chicken and the bell peppers, we're also going to be having some mashed sweet potatoes and a side of cottage cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and make the sweet potatoes now. I'm just using these sweet potato cubes, adding them to my pot, then adding some water. I'm going to boil them just like you do potatoes till they're softened. And then once they're done, I'm going to be adding in some butter, salt, sugar, and cinnamon, and just mashing them up till they are like the consistency of mashed potatoes.
I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away.
So now I'm making our plates. I'm going to put a little cottage cheese down first, and then I'm going to add the sweet potatoes and the chicken, and then put the bell peppers on the plate as well.
Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die.
So here is the finished product. The chicken turned out absolutely delicious, as well as the rest of the food, but the chicken was cooked perfectly in the air fryer, as well as the bell peppers. If you've never put bell peppers in your air fryer, either by air frying them or air roasting them. I highly recommend it. They turn out so good. But everything just turned out absolutely delicious, and we both thoroughly enjoyed it. So anyways, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you want to check out the air fryer, I will have it linked down below. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning portion of the video and the cooking. And yeah, I really appreciate y'all stopping by, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!
I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you.